Top 7. Best Beginner Kayaks. Their narrow frames are squirrely and using a double-bladed paddle can be less than intuitive when first starting out. Number 7. Perception R15 Pescadors 100. This sit-on-top kayak by Perception Kayaks was designed with beginner paddlers in mind. At 10 feet in length, it's a good size for all-around paddling. Long enough to track well but not too long that it's hard to maneuver. I like they have 2 compartments for dry storage. Explore and fish. Easy open front hatch. Proudly designed. Number 6. Sea Eagle SE370 Inflatable Sport. Viewed above. Here we don't have an aluminum frame so it's not as rigid, but when fully inflated it holds its shape well. It has seating capacity for up to 3 people, or perhaps you want to take your 4-legged friend along. 3-person/650 pounds capacity. Asymmetrical blade and aluminum shaft. Open and close strain valve. Number 5. Old Town Canoes and Kayaks. Heron themselves out in their own boat. Old Town Kayaks, a widely recognized name in recreational boats, made this kayak just for the kids. It had an integrated tag-along system which is made specifically to help you tow the kids along if they do get too tired. Single-layer polyethylene. Contoured padded seat. Tag-along tow system. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Beginner Kayaks or simply click below the video description link. Fishfindly fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Wilderness Systems Aspire 100, no less than 5 different colors. Without a doubt, it earns the honor of being the most colorful boat on our list. You won't find this many color options anywhere else. At 10 feet long and just over 27 inches wide, it's a reasonable sized kayak. A recreational kayak. Shorter length and cockpit ideal. Thigh and knee padding. Number 3. Advanced Elements Advanced Frame Kayak. Are not sure if you will be able to transport one? We have the answer, an inflatable kayak. The Advanced Elements kayak is your best bet. It's very versatile. Want to go kayaking with a partner? It can do that too. Built-in aluminum ribs define the bow. Pre-assembled at the factory. 3-seat locations allow. Number 2. Ocean Kayak 12 feet Malibu. Ways to easily get in and out of the boat. Ocean Kayak is the brand name of this boat, not to be confused with an ocean-faring kayak. There are 2 adjustable molded foam seats front and back, but there's a 3rd hidden seat. 3 seating positions. Greater slip prevention over molded seats. Maximum capacity of 425 pounds. Number 1. Old Town Canoes and Kayaks Dirigo 106. Old Town has avoided that problem on the Dirigo by including an amply padded molded foam seat. I love the wide shoulders of the seat back which wrap around to fully support the paddler. There's nothing worse than a backache from a day of kayaking. A contoured poly cushion seat. Easy to paddle ride. Maneuver in calm waters. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Beginner Kayaks or simply click below the video description link. Fishfindly fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.